Hello gin lovers and welcome back to No Nonsense Gin Reviews with me, Bobby Freeman. Now then, we have a special video for you today because here, I'm sure a lot of you have spotted, we have a Malfy, and I have reviewed a Malfy before. It's up there on the shelf there and it was very, very nice. So that was the Con Limon Malfy. So let me introduce you to its brother, which is Malfy Blood Orange Gin. That's right, I think it's called, oh hang on, no, sorry, it's called something, Con Arancia. Let me try that again. Let me introduce you to Malfy Con Arancia. Arancia? Oh, forget it. It's just blood orange gin. It's blood orange gin. Which so we'll cut that bit out. Don't worry. So as I said before, I reviewed that one with the lemons, and it was very, very nice. So I'm very, very keen to try this. My girlfriend ordered this very kindly of her yesterday, and as I've told you before, I like to try the gins on these videos for the first time as I'm recording, so I share the experience with you. Now, a few of you Eagle Eyes viewers will probably notice that there's a little bit gone out of that one. That's because my girlfriend's been quaffing it already, so apologies about that. Now then, first impressions, it looks, they've obviously got a very sort of linear look for the brand because it looks pretty much identical design to the previous one, which is cool, but slightly different. I do like this frosted glass on the on gins. What's another one? Oh yeah, the older Percy, one of my favourite gins. They have the frosted glass as well. I think it looks really, really cool. So a little bit about it. There's not too much on the website. Mind you, by the way, their website is really, really cool. It's like a Dolce & Gabbana advert or something. Hang on a minute, my iPad's gone dark. So look, you got all this cool video of some nice lady enjoying the gin in, well, Sicily, I suppose. But it's very, very cool. Very good. Look at all this, like a Hollywood film, isn't it? But that's very cool. I've got a little bit. They don't go overboard about the information on there. Just a little bit about the family. But I've got a bit on the back of this bottle, which I took a picture of because I couldn't read it because it was too small. Come on. Right, so it says about this one, Malfy Con Arancia is distilled by the Vergano family in Italy, the birthplace of gin. The birthplace of gin? I didn't know. I thought it was London, surely. I'll get clarification on that. Using the peel of Sicilian oranges, Italian juniper, and 4 other botanicals. They're being a bit secretive on the botanicals there. Okay, fair enough. With their traditional vacuum still. I don't know much about stills really. What's better than the other? Some are copper pot stills. Some have some other sort of still I can't remember, and there is a vacuum still. I'm sure it's all very good. So oranges are a prized variety. Blood oranges are a prized variety in Sicily, professional as ever on this programme. And they're always harvested in November, apparently. What's fascinating as all this stuff is, I think we'll abandon that because I have read a bit about the family and the history before. So let's have a look at this because orange gin seems to be a bit of a fashion at the moment. There's like an influx. Every sort of gin company seems to be bringing out an orange gin. So, and it has got a cork, so you know what that means. It's the cork test. Everyone's favourite bit. So, first of all, do we get a squeak? No squeak. Okay, fair enough. We'll go for the full pull. Ready? Oh, a healthy little cork sound. Not too over the top, not too deep, not too strong, but just sort of a mildly confident pork. Pork? No, definitely not a pork sound. A confident cork sound. I like that very much. So, oh, wow. Right, yeah. I don't like to sniff it too much because I think it is a bit pretentious, but that, what are the other orange ones I've tried? I just reviewed one, where's it gone? This fellow here, Grayson's, from which is available at Aldi. That was very nice, but it wasn't really sort of, the flavours weren't really wham bam, and they were certainly not when you sniff the gin, but this, what's the other orange one? There's a Tanqueray Sevilla, isn't there? And that was quite a potent orange. I really liked it. I mean, me and my girlfriend finished it off in no time at all. But there's something different about this. You tend to think sometimes, well, orange gin is going to be an orange gin, but there's something slightly, I think it's the essence of using the blood orange in there maybe, makes it a little bit different. I'm not really sure. I've never had a blood orange, to be honest. But there's definitely something slightly different to your traditional orange flavour. So, look at the colour of that. I don't know if you can see that. I know there's a white patch there usually. Wow, it's positively pink. It looks like jelly. Or jello if you're listening in America or watching in America. Oh my God. This smells nice. Like really, really nice. In fact, I'm not going to be, I can't wait around anymore. Let's get this thing in the glass, shall we? Or in the mouth, rather. Look at the colour of that gin. That's incredible. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen a gin that actually changes, well, actually stays the colour that it is in the glass when you put the tonic in. It's like a fluorescent pink. I love it. It's amazing. Yeah, it's, oh my God, it smells so summery. Just imagine yourself sitting in, let's stop sniffing it, Bobby. Just drink the damn stuff. Okay, all right, let's get it in the mouth. Here we go. All right, okay. Oh, no, it's a bit strong. Oh, it's strong, it's strong. Hang on a minute. We'll have to try that. We'll try that again. A bit more tonic. Oh, it gets a bit overpowering, I think. I mean, some people can drink it strong. Some people drink it neat, but I think that's mad. But I think it gets a bit overpowering. You don't get all the flavours in if you don't balance the tonic right. So let's give that a second go, shall we? Oh, man alive. I tell you what, occasionally you come across a gin distillery where whatever gin they do, it is good. I mean, I've only tried 2 of them, but my goodness, this is lovely. So it's totally different, completely different to any orange gin I've tasted so far, in that it's kind of, it's difficult to describe. It's orangey, but it's more of a, it's a less concentrate. It's more of like, it's, the best way I can describe it is it's more of a relaxed orange. A more refreshing orange. It's a real, you can imagine like on a really hot summer's day, you know, you're chilling out in Sicily as you do. If you're really parched, it's been the end of a long day, this would just hit the spot, like sort of just like the most refreshing thing you can possibly imagine. And maybe that is what a blood orange does, I don't know. But, yeah, one more go. Oh, yes. It's just literally pure summer. Boom! Just light, refreshing oranginess, but a different kind of oranginess. It's kind of, it just sort of dances across the tongue. It's just, it's really, really nice. It reminds me a bit, not in flavour-wise, but the whole company ethos reminds me a little bit of a company like King of Soho, and I've got the original King of Soho up there. They're just, you just have so much confidence in them. When you try their gin and then you try another one of their gins, it really sets their sort of, your trust in them in stone. And that's what Malfy has done with this. That is gorgeous. And I love the colour. I absolutely love that. I don't know what you garnish it with. I suppose a bit of blood orange, I suppose, but maybe a bit of mint, but oh, man alive. So, now, this thing is a little bit on the expensive side. Well, no, what am I talking about? No, it's not. It's about £25. I don't know why I thought it was expensive. It was about £25 ordered online. I think it's a bit more expensive if you see it in the shops, and usually around the £30. But I think I'd got one from Marks and Spencer's, and I'm sure it was about £30, the lemon one. My girlfriend got this for £25, which is about $30. So you are pushing the budget a little bit. But you know, what am I talking about? I have made a few of these videos, so I'm starting to not think as straight as perhaps I did on the first one. But so that is actually a pretty good budget. Not as cheap as the old, what's it called, Grayson's over there. But I would say this one, it is a little bit more expensive. Well, it's about £10 more expensive, but it's definitely worth it. There's a lot of stuff going on. There's been a lot of thought going into that glass, and or in the bottle, I should say. There's so much thought, and when a company does that, it really, really shines through. And it's a family-run company, and I think you can always tell that the difference to a massive, big conglomerate like Gordon's or Bombay Sapphire. They lose all sense of personality and sort of love, but this is just sort of just pure love just packed into that bottle. It's absolutely lovely. So you cannot go wrong with a Malfy. That's my top tip for you today. So by the way, I keep forgetting to say, if you do like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe. If you've got any questions or you want me to review another gin, do let me know in the comments below. I always reply to them all, and it's always nice to engage with my loyal subscribers, all 51 of them at the moment. So ladies and gentlemen, this has been No Nonsense Gin Reviews. I'm Bobby Freeman, and oh sorry, this was Malfy. What was it called again? Con Arancia. Oh my god, I've really got to get better at my Italian pronunciation. And and this is No Nonsense Gin Reviews, and you get the idea. I'll see you next time anyway. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Professional as ever.